We're soundproofing our basement ceiling with a metal channel system. We started out by first screwing the first channel with a 1/4 inch gap against the wall. You want to make sure that you're running the opposite direction of the joists every 16 inches. We continue across the entire room, and once the whole room is done, then we could start installing the sheetrock and screwing that into the metal channels. By having the combination of insulation and metal channels, this should help deaden the sound between the floors.